I think it's essential that you have, that you're able to trust those people. Put up this wall here.
Betsy Critchfield vetted the contractor she hired for renovations, trusting they'd do the work, not take valuable jewelry.
It feels like a violation.
She's not sure of the contractor's criminal history and did not think about doing background checks.
I haven't, honestly, and I don't know why.
Most people wouldn't. In fact, the State Office of Professional and Financial Regulation only does them for new applications in each of its 63 professions, and when a current license holder upgrades from one job level to another. There's no check on regular renewals, most often for people at the top of their craft.
I can't imagine that it would be tremendously cumbersome to implement something like that.
Representatives wouldn't discuss their procedures for proactive background checks. Instead, Doug Dunbar pointed us by email to the department's website for disciplinary reports, saying, quote, "Our online services, as well by calling the offices, provide a way for consumers to determine if any disciplinary action has ever been taken against a licensee."
Take them off and reface them.
A helpful resource, but for Betsy, access to a full online court database for her own research would have been even better.
Absolutely. I think it would be tremendously helpful, especially for people that maybe are just getting into this and are doing it for the first time.
It will be a huge improvement.
That system is on the way, according to Marianne Lynch, counsel for the Administrative Office of the Courts.
We have a staggered rollout. It's a 4.5-year project.
The online system for civil violations like traffic and speeding tickets will launch next fall. Criminal cases will start in 2019. Lynch says it's a way to improve communication and safety between law enforcement, the courts, corrections, and the public.
People's privacy is also important, so we are working very hard to get the right level of transparency and information that the public needs.
The entire project should be complete by 2021. For now, Lynch offers ways you can do your own background checks.
You can right now call the Judicial Branch Service Center, which is located in Lewiston, and do record checks.
You can also check your local courthouse or order an electronic report from the State Bureau of Identification for $31. There are times, though, when convictions in those reports could stop someone from getting a license.
For instance, you go into court.
We spoke with attorney Lenny Sharon, who explains the laws against the convictions have to be very specific within their career field.
There is an actual rule that says because of the conviction, now you cannot get employment, you cannot get a license, you can't get security clearance.
Sharon was appointed to the State Appeals Board more than 20 years ago and has heard thousands of cases.
We require that they accept responsibility. We require that they are honest and they've accepted responsibility and understand what they've done.
A pardon is granted in some instances so people can get a license and get back to work. Consumers like Betsy can get back to work too, reviewing references and criminal background checks.
Your personal property is at stake.
And that's the bottom line. Betsy says there's a lot of trust that has to happen in the process. And we discovered that you can't trust the state always to conduct the background checks on the licensee, so you might have to do it on your own. It happens sometimes, but consumers are probably better off doing their own research. In the studio tonight, Kyle Jones, WMTW News 8.